Hello everyone, this is Utsav Chakraborty and my ID is 1621. I'll be talking about Kanban, a way to visualize our workflow to maximize efficiency. So in this presentation, I'll be talking about what is Kanban, why Kanban, limitation of other agile methodology, and how to use Kanban, and also pros and cons of Kanban. So let's start with what is Kanban. Kanban is a Japanese word that means sign. Kan- and in software project management, Kanban is an agile project management methodology that emphasizes continuous improvement and it gives us visualizing workflow on a board, seeing the limits of work progress and enhance focus. And and the question is why Kanban? Well, why not? It gives us flexibility, enhanced flow, limiting work in progress, continuous delivering, and visualizing of workflow. So why not Kanban? So there are lots of project management methodology. Why not them? Why Kanban? Limited. There are lots of limitation of agile methodology. So they most of them don't give us workflow visibility and their structure is rigged, and there are also scope overload with the sprint and lack metrics of process improvement. That means we can't see how much our progress is happening real time, but Kanban can give us that. And in this slide I try to visualize a Kanban board in this presentation. We can see there are three columns: to do, doing, and done. And you can notice in our second slide there was what is Kanban, why Kanban, and limitation of other agile methodology was in to do column. But I have moved it to done because I have done to talking that. And as I am explaining how to use Kanban, this sticky note is in doing column. And we left to talk about pros and cons of Kanban, so it's still in to do. And that's how it works in project management in real life. In real life, there are softwares like Jira and Trello to do that, and also there are real life whiteboard and sticky note to do that. And after that, if you think is there any drawback of Kanban, of course yes, there is sort of drawback because nothing is perfect, right? So Kanban board has pros and cons too. Let's talk, look at them. And though Kanban gives us workflow efficiency, it needs to have a strategic planning, else the project will fail. In Kanban, it gives us continuous delivery, but there is a huge learning curve. Kanban is customer focused, but it is limited for large teams. If team is got bigger and larger, then Kanban is not perfect for this. It reduces our overloading, but it needs team dependency on their discipline. If any team is not disciplined, then the project will fail. And another pros of Kanban is easy to identify bottlenecks. As the workflow is visible to everyone, we can see what is the bottlenecks of a project. But if the project is repetitive and predictable, then Kanban is not actually perfect for the project. And here I listed all the reference I used in the slide about Kanban, and I would like to end the slide with a humorous quote that is, software and cathedrals are much the same. First we build them and then we pray. And thank you everyone for your kind attention and time. For any query, mail me at hello@utshav.me. Thank you.